Go back.
All right, gentlemen of the press, you, from what you're seeing, we are here to see for ourselves and get a first-hand report of the incident that happened yesterday. About 7:38 p.m., we got information of a very serious inferno around here that was caused by a tanker that was conveying PMS. In fact, I got the information through the MD of Indorama and immediately alerted the security agencies to make sure that they step in. And from what we are seeing this morning, it wasn't a very, very pleasant case. We recorded, from what I'm seeing, a huge numbers of vehicles being destroyed and souls lost. But I've already asked the agency, the security agency, to give us a full brief so that we can come into the situation fully by seeing how much we can support the families that are bereaved and how we can cushion the effect of the losses, which I believe is no fault of a good number of them. We all know the situation of this road. It's really, really unfortunate. Most of our people, when plying this road, should apply it with caution. I believe strongly that this situation would have been avoidable if the motorists had behaved properly. But it's late. It has happened. This is the situation that we find ourselves. We'll see how much we can control it. Thank you.
Some dead body dead front.